have given publicity about the imminent danger of an epidemic called Mpox spreading in some countries, which might be elevated to a pandemic, perhaps by the WHO, depending on its spread. Now, with this situation, I would like to ask the Honourable Minister, now particularly, now I'm tabling a letter that I have written to your secretary, because if there is another pandemic, now concerns are there expressed by minority communities, particularly the Muslims. Last time, this forced cremation matter, there was an expert committee which unscientifically racist policy was implemented, and your government has apologized for it. We appreciate that, but still, no departmental inquiry has been conducted against that expert committee for having taken that unscientific, without any foundation, to have arrived at such a horrendous decision which caused serious trauma for the entire Muslim community in this country. Now, my concern is this. I have addressed a letter to you, concerns over the imminent appointment of the chief epidemiologist of the Ministry of Health. There is a member of this particular committee which gave that unscientific proposal to cremate COVID victims. One member who had been in Philippines, you had now come here, you are making him the acting epidemiologist position. Now, undoubtedly, he may be elevated to this position, and our community and other communities who had been impacted and have been worried about this situation have now raised this issue. I am asking you, they must be subjected to a departmental inquiry at least for having taken that unscientific decision. Therefore, this particular gentleman who has come from Philippines, Dr. Hasita Tissera, being appointed to an acting position at this time while there is allegations against him, publicly government has apologized. Therefore, I would request that be stopped. And there are others. Now, today in the papers, there is another member of that committee called Ruwanpura, Dr. Ruwanpura, the JMO Karapitia. Now, he was also a member of that committee. Now, he has spoken about legalizing abortion today in the papers. Right? These people are taking all kinds of new stands, whereas they have, without any basis, taken an unscientific decision which has caused serious impact for the Muslim community in this country. Therefore, I am requesting you, since your government has apologized, please take action not to appoint such officials to such important positions, particularly if there is a pandemic once again. The community is seriously worried about this issue.